Okay, you might be asking yourself why I'm putting up those shelves. Well, you may notice I'm putting them up right along the gap where the two pieces of tin meet. What that will do is it'll give me a place to put screws out here in the middle. If you'll notice where this tin is, see how that is? So now I can shoot screws in, and that's right along where these two pieces of tin meet, so I can stabilize both of them from that point. Might do the same thing down here. The other thing that does, it makes this wall stronger, and if somebody wanted to break into the building and they wanted to just smash through the wall, it's going to be a little bit harder to do with these 2x6s in here. So doing a few things there all at the same time. That was like a 10-foot board. I might put some more woodage out to the edge there. I don't want this building to be so full of shelves that you can't walk comfortably down through here, but a little bit of shelfage is good. You know, a place to put some oil cans and some drills and, just a few things. Little storage is always good. Over there I did something kind of similar because, see, it would be, I don't know, kind of easy for someone to go up in here and rip a piece of tin off and come through that, and by putting that in the back there, it sort of gives something, like I say, puts a little backbone to that side wall there. Makes it a little harder to get in and out of, and gives me the benefit of a little bit of storage. I like that. Okay, let's see what else we're going to do. I might do something pretty similar right here. I don't know if I've got another 2x6. I may not have. I may have used them all up that I had. So I might want to hold off on that. I also did little braces here to tie off the end of this roof, and down here I pulled some gravel out of that high spot up there and just put it along this edge so that, you know, it won't wind won't blow it up so much. And I'm gonna come over here and trim this off here or something. I don't know how to quite figure that out. I got some pieces of metal. I could metal that out to there if I wanted to, but I don't know yet. That part I'm still thinking about. All right. And I pulled this over here up to the wall there and kind of stapled it up there so it wouldn't be laying down collecting water, stuff like that. All right.